You're looking at a 2021 Tesla Model Y long range dual motor, all electric, with 23,000 miles. Comes loaded. It is a 7-passenger. Gets over 300 miles at 100% charge. All-wheel drive. ABS traction stability control. Front trunk storage. 4 new tires, fully serviced. Blind spot monitors. Gray exterior, black premium interior. Heated seats. Got dual zone climate control. Heated steering wheel, heated seats all around. Wireless charging pad, cameras with the blind spot monitors. Inside we've got 23,827 miles, acceleration boost, Intel Atom heat pump, CCS enabled. It is a 7-passenger, so you push this button right here. That takes a couple seconds. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. You push the button up here and it opens up right here. So, and push this back. The rear seats do fold down. As you can see, the car is in excellent shape. Absolutely no stories. Power tailgate. It's a nice clean car. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.